Good morning, students. Today we are going to begin with problem set 17. In the previous lecture, we have studied about equivalent fractions. What are equivalent fractions? When one fraction is multiplied or divided by a same number in numerator also and in denominator also, then whatever fraction we obtain, it is equal to the given fraction, original given fraction. Now we have to start with the first question. Write the proper number in the box. So some equivalent fractions are given here and we have to find the missing number in the box. Now the first example. Here 1 upon 2 is there. We have to find its equivalent fraction whose denominator is given to us. Now from 2, how we have got here 20? 2 into 10 is 20. But these two fractions are equal. And equal fraction कब मिलते हैं? जब न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई या डिवाइड किया जाता है. Here it is multiplied by 10, that's why we got 20. So here also we should multiply by 10 only, means into 10 in numerator, into 10 in denominator. Here 2 10s are 20, it is given in the question. So what will be the numerator? 1 into 10, it is 10. So 1 upon 2 and 10 upon 20, they are equivalent fraction, they are exactly the same. Now the second one, 3 upon 4 equal to 15 upon dash. Now here 3 is there and here 15 is there. So how we must have got 15 from 3? By multiplying with 5. 3 5s are 15. And equal sign is there, means here also we have to multiply with same number. So 3 5s are 15 and 4 5s are 20. So here it must be 20. Now the next one. From 9, how we can get 18? 9 2s are 18. So here also multiply by 2. So 9 2s are 18, 11 2s are 22. So here it must be 22. Now see the next one. Whenever we want a big number from a small number, we perform multiplication. But here we want small number from big number. So there are two ways. First one is do division. 40 पे से 8 कैसे आया होगा? By dividing it with 5. Dividing it with 5. Because 40 divided by 5 is 8. तो यहाँ डिवाइड बाय 5 किया है, इसलिए यहाँ पे भी हमें करना है डिवाइड बाय 5. सो व्हाट इज 10 डिवाइड बाय 5? 5 के टेबल में 10 कहाँ आता है? 2s are. So here it will be 2. Or you can do one more thing. If division is hard for you, then what you have to do? Observe this smaller number. 8 into 5 is 40. Okay, 8 into 5 is 40. So here also it should be into 5. So which number into 5 is 10? That you can write down 2. Like this also you can do either division or multiplication. Now here also small number into which number is 26? So 13 2s are 26. So यहाँ पे into 2 है, मतलब यहाँ पे भी into 2 ही रहना चाहिए. So which number into 2 is 14? Answer is 7. Here you can divide by 2 or here you can multiply by 2. Answer will be same. Understood? Now here 3 into 2 is 6. So here also we have to do into 2. Which number into 2 is 4? 2 2s are 4. So in the box we have to write 2. Here it is 7. Now the next one. 1 into which number is 4? 1 4s are 4. So here also into 4. Now which number into 4 gives 25? So in the box we will write 5. 5 4s are 20, 1 4s are 4. Now the last one. 5 into which number is 25? 5s are. So here also 5s are. Which number into 5 gives us 10? 2 5s are 10. Here multiplication with 5. So in numerator also multiplication with 5. So in this way we have to fill in the boxes. Now the second question. Find an equivalent fraction with denominator 18 for each of the following fractions. Some fractions are given to us. We have to find equivalent fractions for them, but everywhere denominator should be 18. So let's begin. First one is 1 upon 2 and denominator we want 18. So from 2 how we will get 18? Multiply 2 with 9 and denominator we are multiplying with 9. So numerator also we have to multiply with 9. So 1 9s are 9. Understood? Now the next one. 2 upon 3 and in its equivalent fraction we want 18 in the denominator. So 3 into which number is 18? 3 6s are 18. That's why multiply 2 also with 6. So here we will get 12. So 12 upon 18 is equivalent to 2 upon 3. Now the next one is 4 upon 6. इसका इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन ढूंढना है और ऐसा ढूंढना है कि डिनोमिनेटर में 18 आना चाहिए. नाउ विच नंबर इंटू 6 इज 18? 3. सो 6 इंटू 3 करेंगे तो ही 18 आएगा एंड 6 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है इसलिए 4 को भी 3 से ही करना पड़ेगा. सो 4 3s are 12. So these two are equivalent fraction. Next one. 2 upon 9. Denominator we want 18. So multiply by which number? Into 2. 9 into 2 is 18. यहाँ into 2 किया है तो ऊपर भी into 2. 2 2s are 4. So 4 upon 18 is equivalent to 2 upon 9. Next one is 7 upon 9. Again denominator 18 ही आना चाहिए. So 9 into 2, 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14. Next 5 upon 3. 3 we have already seen. Multiply with 6. 5 also multiply with 6. 5 6 are 30. 3 6 are 18. So in this way we have to solve this question. Everywhere denominator is 18 and that for that we have to decide that by which number we should multiply the given fraction. Understood? Now the question number 3. Same question is there. Some fractions are given. We have to find their equivalent fractions. But what is the condition? Denominator should be 5. So first one 6 upon 15 and denominator should be 5. नाउ बड़े नंबर से हमें छोटा नंबर चाहिए. सो विच ऑपरेशन? डिवीजन. नाउ 15 डिवाइडेड बाय विच नंबर इज 5. ये कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? सो उल्टा सोचेंगे. 5 इंटू विच नंबर इज 15? 3 ज़ा. सो डिवाइड 15 with 3 and here also divide with 3. Now 6 divided by 3 means what? 3 के टेबल में 6 कहाँ आता है? 2 ज़ा. So 2 upon 5 is equivalent to 6 upon 15. Next example is 10 upon 25. Denominator should be 5. सो डिवीजन करना पड़ेगा. बड़े नंबर से छोटा नंबर ढूंढना है. ये कैसे ढूंढेंगे? 5 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करने पर 25 मिलता है? 5 से ही. मीन्स 25 को 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 5 मिलेगा. वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न दिस हियर. सपोज वन एग्जाम्पल वी विल टेक. 5 इंटू 2 इज 10. So from one multiplication we get two divisions. 10 divided by 2 is 5 or 10 divided by 5 is 2. Similarly ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन से हमें पता चलता है कि 25 divided by 5 is 5. Here we have divided by 5. So here also divide by 5. अब 5 के टेबल में 10 कहाँ आता है? 2 ज़ा. सो 2 upon 5 is equivalent to 10 upon 25. Now the third one, 12 upon 30. Denominator should be 5. So बड़े नंबर से छोटा नंबर चाहिए. मीन्स डिवीजन होगा दोनों जगह. Now 5 into which number is 30? 6. So 6 से डिवाइड करो 30 को, तभी 5 मिलेगा. Now here division by 6, so here also division by 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. क्योंकि 6 के टेबल में 12 कहाँ आता है? 2 ज़ा. नेक्स्ट 6 upon 10 and denominator should be 5. अगेन बड़े नंबर से छोटा नंबर चाहिए. सो डिवीजन. 10 डिवाइडेड बाय विच नंबर इज 5? सो 5 2 ज़ा 10 होता है, इसलिए 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 करेंगे तभी 5 मिलेगा. यहाँ डिवाइड बाय 2 किया, इसलिए ऊपर भी डिवाइड बाय 2. 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इट इज़ 3. क्योंकि 2 के टेबल में 6 कहाँ आता है? 3 ज़ा. एंड द लास्ट वन 21 upon 35. Denominator should be 5. Divide. Now 35 divided by which number is 5? So 5 7s are 35. That's why here it will be 7 and here also 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. So answer is 3 upon 5. Understood how to solve division or multiplication? Now the next question. From the fractions given below, pair of the equivalent fractions. Means from this group we have to find the pairs of equivalent fractions. So first we will take 2 upon 3. Which is the equivalent fraction? You can see here. Same number should be multiplied with 2 and 3. So 2 के टेबल में 5 नहीं आएगा, 5 भी नहीं आएगा, ये 7 भी नहीं आएगा, 15 भी नहीं आएगा. बचे कौन से नंबर? 1 2 and 3. नाउ चेक विथ 3. ये तीनों में से अब 3 के साथ चेक करो. 3 के टेबल में 18 आता है, 27 आता है, पर 14 नहीं आता, मतलब ये ऑप्शन कैंसिल हो गया. नाउ सी दिस 2 7s are 14 and 3 6s are 18, means they are not equal. Now observe this 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27. Means if we divide this fraction with 9, then we get 18 upon 27. So 18 upon 27 is equivalent with 2 upon 3. Now the next one. So these two are over now, 2 upon 3 and 18 upon 7. Now the next pair, 5 upon 7. So 5 upon 7, 5 के टेबल में ये नहीं आएंगे, 7 के टेबल में ये नहीं आएगा, तो बचा कौन? 10 upon 14. 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14. So 10 upon 14 and 5 upon 7, क्योंकि ये कैसे मिलते हैं? into 2 into 2. Next, so these two are over now. Next is 5 upon 11. अब इन बचे हुए फ्रैक्शन में 11 के टेबल में सिर्फ 33 आता है. सो 11 3s are 33, 5 3s are 15. So 15 upon 33 means this pair is also over. Now remaining is this one. Check it. 7 2s are 14, 9 2s are 18. So this is the fourth pair. 7 upon 9 equal to 14 upon 18. Now the last question. Find two equivalent fractions for each of the following fractions. So the question is 7 upon 9, 4 upon 5 and 3 upon 11. For these three fractions, we have to find two equivalent fractions. So first we will take 7 upon 9. Multiply it with any number of your choice. So take small number, into 2 into 2. What we get? 14 upon 18. So 7 upon 9 का एक इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन मिल गया. दो निकालने हैं और यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर यही होना चाहिए, वही होना चाहिए, ऐसी कोई कंडीशन भी नहीं है. So we can select any number of our choice for multiplication. And one more we have to find. So 7 upon 9. Now multiply this with suppose 3. You can take any number here. You can take 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 20, any number which is easy. So 7 3s are 21 and 9 3s are 27. So 7 upon 9 के दो equivalent fractions हमको मिल गए. In the same way you have to find for 4 upon 5 and for 3 upon 11. Multiply with any number of your choice. Understood? So this problem set 17 you have to complete in your notebook, all the 5 questions. Okay, thank you.